Namaste and welcome to React Bits. Flutter has recently released huge updates like Flutter 2.2 as well as some updates in the FlutterFire plugin. So many of the FlutterFire plugins have gone stable. Also, in this session, I'm going to talk about my Flutter calendar tutorials. It has been one of the popular series in my channel and a lot of you have loved it. It has helped a lot of you. So today I am going to upgrade my Flutter calendar tutorial app that I made during the second updated series for Flutter calendar tutorial. The link is provided in the description, and in this app I'm going to upgrade the dependencies and I'm going to migrate it to null safety. So let us get started. First, let me switch the branch. So this step 3 is the final one. So here I have table calendar, package info and all these dependencies. And if right now we run Flutter pub-get, we get a lot of issues. Version solving failed, so we are unable to get the packages. So let us start. Let's first run Flutter pub upgrade dash null safety. Let's check. Null safety compatible version does not exist for Flutter auth buttons, Flutter swiper, Intel translation and Flutter automation. So let's hide these remove these packages for now. Intel translation, Flutter automation, what else? Flutter swiper and Flutter auth buttons. So where is swiper? Swiper and Flutter auth buttons. Okay, let's comment out those and let's try now. Okay, downloading. Okay, this should have upgraded our dependency. So now when we get the dependencies, there are no errors, right? So table calendar is updated to version 3, package info to 2, Intel and all these, like Cloud Firestore has gone stable. So all these dependencies have upgraded. Now let us fix the issues. So we'll have lots of issues starting here. So Crashlytics has been renamed to Firebase Crashlytics, and I think enable in dev mode is not available. So let me check to the documentation. So if you want to go through the documentation, now FlutterFire documentations have also improved a lot. You can go to firebase.flutter.dev and let's go to the Crashlytics documentation. So usage Crashlytics import Firebase initialize app. That's okay. This is for crashing now. So here, force disable Crashlytics collection while doing everyday development. This is what we can do instead. Firebase Crashlytics.instance set Crashlytics collection enabled false. Okay, debug mode. We can check if debug mode. Okay, enable in dev mode. Just remove this. So here we can do if a debug mode this. So Flutter on error again, Firebase Crashlytics, and again here Firebase Crashlytics. Okay, this is fixed. Next, again here Firebase Crashlytics. Good. We can remove this. So this is fixed as well. So let us go to our pages one by one. Let's go to user repository. What do we have here? What is the error? Okay, the Firebase helper, now create item, has been renamed to create, and it takes map instead of object. So you can fix this easily. Here again, device dot to map. This is fixed. Next, pages. Now we don't have auth buttons. Remove this. And Google sign in button. We can just change this to elevated button, and this should be child text like this. And next, okay, auth is finished. Let's go to home. So calendar controller no longer exists. So let us look at the calendar pop.dev. So let us look at the changelog for latest version. So we can see here migrated to null safety. So calendar controller is removed. Let's remove calendar controller. It's no longer required. How do we get the selected events? Let's go to the repository and let's look at their example pages. Let's try the basic example. Selected day, focused day. Let's see. First day, k first day. Last day, k last day. Calendar format. Selected day predicate. Use selected day predicate to determine which day is currently selected. If this returns true, then day will be marked as selected. Nothing is selected. On day selected, selected day, focused day is same. The day set state. Okay. Let's see. So here we might need date time, focus day. Now selected day. Again, we can make this now. And let's go here. Underscore selected day. Okay, table calendar. We don't need calendar. Events. Events parameter isn't defined. So let's get in here. So what is defined? Where is the constructor? Focus day is required. First day is required. Last day is required. Okay. First, focus day underscore focus day. First day. Let's see the example again. Where is this k first day coming from? Maybe utils. Yeah. Let's go back. Let's copy these. Let's put it here for now. Doesn't matter. Okay. And first day. First day. Okay, last day. So event no longer exists. Range start day, range in day, weekend day, header style. Okay. Event loader. Okay, we have something called event loader. List of events to specified day. Function date time. Okay, something is different. Let's go here. What they have? Events example, right? So they have something like get events for day, get events for range, on day selected, let's try event loader. Where is the event loader? Range day, range event loader, get events for day. So they are calling get events for day, and in get events for day they have a list of events and they are loading the events for that day. Let's check k events. Where is the list of events? Okay, they have k events, link hash map equal each same day. This too we no longer need. Event loader, let's call get events for day. Let's create this function. Get grouped events date return. What I can do is, let's see, map, hash map. I should use hash map like they are doing. So I can use linked hash map, date time and list. So let's see, where is it? Event loader, list of dynamic function date time event loader. Okay, that's fine. So I can create linked hash map. This should come from dot collection. And what else can I do? 2 6. Okay, do 2. So let's try this. Linked hash map equals each same day hash code, get hash code. And let's check the get hash code function. Copy, right? Let's just copy this function, get hash code, grouped events date dot add event. Okay, this should be fine. Now let's go here. Okay, we no longer have builders. Let's see, what do we have? Header style. Oh, okay, it's renamed. The builders is renamed to calendar builders. So I can just change this to calendar builders. And we don't need calendar controller. We can just use underscore selected day. And here I can use on day selected. So on day selected, date time. Where is on day selected? Selected day and focus day. So this is selected day, this is focus day. Let's see. Each selected, on day selected, focus day, right? So set state selected day, set day, focus day, focus day. Nice, looks good. We can debug it later. Then I have push notification service. So push notification service had changed significantly. So at the moment I'm just going to disable these. Okay, I'll cover the push notification changes to Firebase messaging in another episode, where I will go in depth with upgrading Firebase dependencies. Onboarding, we no longer have swiper, so let me just remove this and just use the column. Swiper has not been upgraded. Maybe there are some forked version of swiper that we can use. Okay, any more error? Swiper. Okay, this is fixed. Profile, let's see, modal, device, we no longer need this. Okay, and there is no super. Okay, this is fixed. User, again, no longer need these. And sorry, no super, no super, don't need this. Finally, now pages, edit profile, there is some error. Firebase storage, or okay, there was something. Image speaker dot get image, and source should be here. I can remove this, and image dot path dot. So this gives, what does this give? This gives picked file, and this var image is a picked file. This is a file. Okay, dot path, and I can change this to file. Okay, this is fixed as well. Let's hope my Firebase project is still active and I can run this. Let me choose the device. It might take some time with the updated dependencies. Okay, I was missing the Google service.json file, so I need to create those files and add it here quickly. I'll do that and I'll get back to you. Okay, it is running. Let's hope it works. I can try login with email and password. Tap login. Password is invalid. Let's try to create. Already in use. Let me try to. Okay. Splash screen. Get started. Stream builder. Event DBS query. 89. So event loader. It must receive a list dynamic grouped events, list dynamic. And see, okay, this error is fixed. Okay, the selected day is not highlighted. Let me see why. Okay, I need to update the selected day on day selected. So table calendar on day selected, selected day, and here I need to pass selected day predicate day. It's same day, this day, and underscore selected day. Okay, now that's great. Let me add an event. So June 15 test event, save. Okay, we can see we have an event, another event, add, we have another event. So we have successfully migrated our table calendar app or our calendar app. First, we migrated the Firebase dependencies. Remember that lots of changes in Firebase dependencies as well. We have not yet covered the push notification. I'll cover that in another episode. And then the table calendar, the calendar controller is completely removed. We now use focus day and first day, and we just use the state to handle these things. Events is removed in favor for event loader, and we changed our events to a linked hash map to make it easier. The builders was renamed to calendar builders. It's same but just renamed. And some new features are also added. You can check those here. So if you go to the pop.dev, in their change log, you can see calendar controller removed, improve, added date range selection, added multiple date selection, added selective calendar builders, first day and last day scroll boundaries, added should fill viewport property, 6-week months enforced property, more options to customize calendars behavior. And that we can see if we go here. If we get inside here, we can see some new functionalities like, so page jumping enabled, 6-week months enforced, format animation duration, animation curve, simple swipe config. So now there is some more like on header tapped, on header long pressed. So there have been some changes. We fixed the errors and we were able to get it running. To learn more about the calendar plugin, you can go to their pop.dev. You can go to their GitHub as I showed you. So you can go to their GitHub repository and look at the examples they have here. So example pages, you can see basic, complex, events, multi-example, range example. So you can check out these examples and implement those in your application. Thank you everyone. I hope this video was useful. In the next episode, maybe I will tackle the upgrading of Firebase dependencies in my Flutter Firebase starter project and also upgrade that project. I will push this updated project in the GitHub repository in the master branch so that you can download and check it out. Thank you. See you again in the next episode.